Hello and welcome to Drunk on Tea. Today I'm going to do something a bit different and I'm going to look at this new invisible paint. To test this, I'm going to paint this Gollum model as if he's wearing the One Ring. To start with though, I am going to paint the rock he's on, so I'm coming in with some Metalmania Standard Grey. With a couple of thin coats, I'm going to give this a nice solid cover of Metalmania Standard Grey all over the rock. Doesn't matter if we get any over any of Gollum, because we will be coming through with invisible paint. So after we've got a nice solid base cover of Metalmania Standard Grey, next I'm coming in with Nuln Oil. For this I'm just going to shade all over the rock. So just give all of that rock a coat of Nuln Oil. Once the Nuln Oil's dried and it's brought out the definition on the rock, next I'm going to come in with some Dawnstone. For this I'm giving it a dry brush all over, just to catch the raised areas all over the rock that Gollum's climbing on. Next I'm coming with Administratum Grey and giving this a real light dry brush over the top, just to add an extra bit of tone to the rock. Now that's the rock mostly painted, but there are a couple of little bits of grass or moss on the rock, so I'm going to pick these out with Deathguard Green. Just a couple of thin coats all over the little bits of moss that are on the rock. Once those have dried, I'm coming in with Athonian Camo Shade and shading those bits of moss. Finally, with some Ogren Camo, I'm just picking out some of the raised details that's on the moss. And that is the rock painted. So all that's left to do now is to paint Gollum with the invisible paint, so he should be nice and see-through. First of all, I'm going to attach him to a pre-painted base with the mud effect. And there he is, ready for his coat of invisible paint. So now I'm coming in with the new invisible paint. For this, it's just one thick coat all over everything we want to be see-through. So that is all of Gollum and the little bit of cloth that he is wearing. Try not to get this on any of the rock, because we don't want that to become see-through. Paint your way all over Gollum, catching all of him with a thick coat of invisible paint. Now we wait for that to dry, and hopefully we should get a really nice effect of an invisible Gollum once that's dried. And there we have it, Gollum is invisible. What a fantastic new product. Hopefully this will really give us new options for painting our ring-bearing models. So thank you very much for watching and enjoy painting.